Ready for your injections? Keep going. Next up. Hold up. Down. Go. Okay. Cut it. This way. Cut it. This way? Yeah. Stop, go up. So many good things. Keep going. Watch on the front. Keep going. You're good. Go. Right, stop. Down? Yeah. Down. That's it. Come on.
Congrats, guys.
Andy G, looking good out there, man. Good job, brother. Hey, how's that ticker, man? You look like you're gonna have a heart attack. I was gonna do CPR when I was Good job.
Not always make the best crew. But today it did. 525.
Yeah, baby!